Meaning of inner ear.
Inner ear.
Inner ear.
Inner ear.
Inner ear. The inner ear is a complex and delicate part of the human ear responsible for detecting sound and maintaining balance. It is made up of three fluid-filled structures called the cochlea, vestibule, and semicircular canals. The cochlea is responsible for hearing and contains tiny hair cells that convert sound waves into electrical signals that are sent to the brain. The vestibule and semicircular canals are responsible for balance and spatial orientation. Damage or disease of the inner ear can result in hearing loss, vertigo, and balance disorders.